Hi, here's how you tie the sheet bend. The sheet bend is used to join two lines together, typically of uneven diameter. So here's how you tie it. You take the thicker rope in your undominant hand and form a bight. So I'm right-handed, so I'm holding it with my left hand. Next, I take the other rope and I'm going to come from behind and I'm going to go tuck it through the bight, pull it up, and while you're a beginner at this, I would wrap the second rope around my index finger like this. Essentially, I'm forming a turn, and now I'm going to turn up the working end, and I'm going to tuck it through here. I'm not going to tuck it through here, otherwise I'll get a square knot. I'm going to tuck it through here, and then I'm just going to carefully pull, and that is the sheet bend. That's how you join two lines together. Now, to make it stronger, you could do something called the double sheet bend, and that's when you do another round turn. Just like this. The double sheet bend.